Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we would be discussing XPR Network, the good and the bad. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so stay tuned and watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems as well. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, do subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon. And guys, you also can support the channel by becoming a patron, where we also have exclusive content. But basically, if you want to support the channel and wish to see it rolling for years, you can support that, and you guys can check that out. Anyways, let us begin first and foremost with the price of XPR at the time of the recording, guys. So one XPR is priced at around $0.000928, guys. It is down 4.47% for the day. Market cap is almost $24 million, $23 million approximately. Fully diluted market cap $25 million. So let us check out the 7-day chart. It is down 12.98% in 7 days. In 1 month, 12.07, and it broke a crucial support over here. But since that time, this was sort of a false breakout. Let's see if it really is a false breakout and it goes above. Let's check that out. This is the yearly chart, guys. These are some crucial levels over here. So yeah, price might rebound from here. Technically, I think it has potential to move above from this point range on and can be a good entry, but depends. This is the all-time chart, guys. It is in terms of market cap and in terms of price, this is peanuts. So yeah, launched in on 1st May 2020. I mean 2020. So yeah. So, guys, there are good and the bad associated with XPR network. I have been in touch with the community. There have been a lot of community members who are bullish about XPR, and there are others who are not that much bullish, and they say that. In the minimum, it is the team is basically not on par in to basically develop this project and take it to the next level. And even on in the extreme end, they've said that it is a scam altogether. And in the good side, the positive side, the community members that are bullish on XPR, they're saying that this is the next big thing, obviously, and this is a financial juggernaut in the making, basically a giant in the making, and this is only the beginning. And these prices won't be seen in years to come. So we would be looking at the good side. I've gathered some posts regarding them, and then we would be looking at a bit into the uh, other side as well. So yeah, I've seen a lot of news, guys, the Polish news in the community, as well as bad stuff that I've heard. So I'm just basically an intermediary. I wanted to share with you guys all sides of these coins, like both sides of these coins that I cover usually. Anyways, welcome to Metallicus in 2024. We are building the world's most customer-centric digital asset banking network. They've got this layer zero FEDNOW services. They're connected with FEDNOW, so Fiserv and all of that stuff. Layer zero metal blockchain, layer one XPR network, wallet, WebAuth wallet, fiat on ramp, MetalPays, decentralized exchange, Metal X, guys. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Shout out to Lonzo Mars Crypto, my friend. He basically has really clean and slick graphics, guys. So you guys can check him out as well. FedNow services, Metallicus Inc., Metallicus, ISO 20022 compatibility, BSA compliant, Bank Secrecy Act, Fiserv, Clover, Rarible, Temenos. So yeah, you guys can check this out. The compliance and risk mitigation, and being regulated, having great network partnerships. So these are the positives, guys. This is the MetalX digital assets. Shout out. Where else you know what this is prepped for? So basically, over the counter, verified traders only, peer to peer. They've got an entire mechanism on chain KYC in terms of XPR and all of that stuff, guys. Regulation. good username, good small usernames instead of these long, hard, complex addresses. James Barnett, shout out. Nothing can compete with Metal blockchain long term. So check this out. Feature blockchain type layer 0 multi-chain protocol. So this is the Metal is also a part of the Metallicus ecosystem, guys. So check this out. Architecture, sovereign subchains, maximum TPS, infinite scalable via parallel processing, block time sub-second, consensus mechanism snowman, scalability most scalable, suitability decentralized applications with high throughput and low latency, additional features, sovereign subchains like XPR Network, MetalX, which is built on top of XPR Network then. So yeah, it is known as the chain A. Partners, FEDNOW, Temenos, Jack Henry, Clover, Fiserv, three undisclosed banking institutions. So you guys can check out how bullish it is justified why the community is bullish. I mean, yeah, this is nothing small like the partnerships and everything. Furthermore, XPR Network, Ethereum. So there is not even a, I mean, not even a competition. I mean, block times, TPS, gas fees, no front running, and all of that stuff, guys. If you missed CAS, don't miss XPR. CAS has 3 billion market cap, XPR has 25 million market cap. So in terms of price and the risk reward potential and the price return on investment sort of thing, guys, the positives are there because this is truly undervalued in terms of market cap at the moment. So that is also a good, the positive. xprnetwork.org, Layer 1 and Metal Blockchain.org. Layer 0 XPR Network is about to make a big upgrade with Metal Blockchain that will bring it to 4.5k TPS, 0.5s finality, and time to execution under 100 milliseconds. So this is basically a shout out to the Rail Profit 5. This is XPR. This from Crypto Maximal. XPR is everyone still chilling, getting in? Thoughts? So according to the technicals as well, they think that the price is now, check this out, oversold, and now it might do a rally. So in terms of that as well. Guys, now going to certain bad sides. Bad sides or I've heard the negatives of XPR over time. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys as well. I've basically collected a few statements as well. So to keep the people anonymous, those who have talked about it, the community members and others as well. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys that in a moment now. Exciting times are ahead for Metal XPR. So yeah, so these were the good sides once in a lifetime. First and foremost, guys, I've heard a lot of people say that the XPR network or the XPR Metallicus team is not that much active that like it should, especially the XPR X account. They say that they should be updating more often. This is January 5th, January 4th. Okay, so December 26th. You guys see this is a huge jump from January 4th to direct December 26th, then December 22, and all of a sudden we're here December 20th, December 19th, December 16th. So, anyways, I'm fine with that as long as the team keeps on building in the background. But a lot of people say that they should update more often. They should keep their X handle and social media handles more updated, regular updates every day. Like they should be active, basically. Not updates, but they should be active. This is directly November 28th. So, you get what I'm saying. So this is not much, but guys, I've had a certain other statements that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So yeah, Proton is shit. Be careful. Team selling all the time. You can check Proton price graph. So according to him, the price chart is a reflection of the team selling and not anything else. This price chart is due to the selling of team since a while now. These are anonymous. I've just collected it. I am seriously considering selling my XPR network and Metal. Why? I'm just very confused why there has been no pump at all. So, I mean, they've been building in the background. So, this is surely the people. This is one of those statements that people make when they want to short-term trades and short-term actions, short-term volatility. So that sort of thing. But good projects do not have pumps all the time. There are also projects that do have, but there are other projects that build continuously in the background, and then suddenly they rally and all that sort. But now we get to something more serious, guys. Scam coin, directly a scam coin. Don't bother. Bought a punch back when it was called Proton. So this was rebranded to XPR Network. XPR whales are all metal employees, and they sell thousands of dollars worth of coins every day and are constantly increasing the supply by minting new coins. So yeah, this is 28 billion total supply, over 24 billion in circulation, and it keeps going up because they keep making more coins, like minting all the time. The team doesn't care about small time investors, so I moved on. This doesn't end here, guys. From the looks of it, I think it will go on to be over 30 trillion in circulating supply within the next couple months. I mean, that is a huge statement, but obviously, in my opinion, 30 trillion is a lot of coins. I mean, they might not, a small minting that happens uh, in terms of it has happened in a lot of coins. I've seen that, but in the long run, that even minting is basically covered by a use case and utility that appreciates the price over the long run. So XPR has great partnerships, in my opinion, and all of that stuff. So it has a lot of going for it in terms of paper value, obviously, and it has value, it has potential. The market cap is in the peanuts, but yeah, Hayner and his team ran into some huge financial problems, sometimes around the FTX scandal. So they started minting new coins and selling crazy amounts of XPR every day to keep the lights on. Basically, they are using investors' money as exit liquidity. So that is a huge statement in and of itself. I wanted to share the goods, the bads, whatever the community, the sentiments are. So, guys, you guys can discuss and everything. Even you guys can discuss the answers to these in the comments box below. The community members, those that are bullish, and you guys can share the good and the bad as well. So this was the prime motive of making this video. Because I really like to cover different aspects of these projects that we cover and crypto in general. So yeah, that this was it. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in other utility coins and potential gems as well, then you guys can subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell. And also check Patreon out if you're interested, guys. Anyways, guys, like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.